Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, to vlogmas number 13. Today I'm doing Zepbound video a little different with a voiceover. What you are watching is my first full body workout with Juice and Toya. I decided not to use any weights, being that I had an injury, a tailbone injury on December 1st. So I'm trying to be careful and not overexert myself, but your girl couldn't help it. She just had to get a full body workout in. But the whole week I have been doing upper body and just regular low impact walking on my walking pad and just walking around in the garage at the office. Now, this doesn't mean that I am not sore. I am around 90 to 95% feeling better, pain-free, but oftentimes, like when I sit down or I sit down too hard or bending over, in some cases, you'll see my hand placed on my backside. That's because I can kind of feel a little bit of slight pain, but it's not so bad to the point where I can't work out. So now let's go ahead and get into how I am able to maintain my weight on Zepbound. I am on the 5 milligrams and I take my injections every other week. I am skipping today, which is Friday, and I won't take it until next Friday, December 20th. I am at maintenance week number 13. I can't believe I am maintaining my weight. My weight is between 136 and 138. I put in that fluctuation because, let's face it, you're not able to keep the same weight every single week. So your weight will go up, it will go back down. But as long as I am maintaining my weight, then that means I am doing the right things. I am putting in the work to make sure that I do not gain weight. And what I mean by gaining weight, meaning that I don't go over a 10-pound mark. The two things that I do differently while maintaining my weight is that I do increase my calories and I continue to burn more calories. I'll say that again. I eat more calories and I burn more calories. So with that being said, I'm trying to increase my calorie intake to my maintenance, which is 1,700. And as I'm increasing, I am burning more, meaning that I need to walk more. I need to do more strength training. If I choose to only do 3 days of strength training, I need to make sure I am getting 10,000 steps or above in order to burn more calories. The more you eat, the more calories you need to burn. If not, you will run the risk of start gaining some weight, and that is not what we want to do. We want to keep that mindset the same way that we lost the weight is the same way we need to maintain the weight, like I said before. With my cravings and my taste of food coming back, I'm really enjoying having more variety in my diet versus before, where I was limited because I was not able to digest food the right way because it was just irritating my stomach. So I enjoy it. I love it. As long as I have portion control, I feel like I will be and do just fine. If you've been enjoying my vlogmas day by day, please make sure you check out the playlist and give me a thumbs up. And I can't wait to talk to you more about what I have special to share with you next Friday. So make sure you stay tuned and turn your post notifications on. And thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.